Do you know how to properly use turmeric? If not, sit back and relax, you're in the right place. If you do, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video anyway. Originating from South Asia, turmeric, often called the golden spice, has been cherished in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine for its ability to treat various ailments. Its active compound, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent. While turmeric's earthy flavor is a delightful addition to dishes, its true magic lies in its therapeutic qualities. But the key to unlocking turmeric's full potential lies in using it the right way. Turmeric is a powerhouse for a healthy immune system, thanks to its active compound curcumin. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help protect immune cells and balance the body's defenses. It also boosts white blood cell activity, supports gut health where much of our immunity resides, and fights harmful microbes. Plus, it enhances antibody production and regulates immune responses to prevent overactivity or underperformance. Adding turmeric to your diet, especially with black pepper to improve absorption, can be a simple yet powerful way to strengthen your immunity naturally. Curcumin blocks key molecules like cytokines and enzymes that drive chronic inflammation, which is a root cause of many conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes. In 2016, a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food revealed curcumin's potent anti-inflammatory effects. Researchers found that curcumin significantly reduced inflammation markers in arthritis patients, helping to ease their pain and improve their quality of life. Isn't that amazing? By reducing inflammation, curcumin helps ease joint pain, protect blood vessels, and improve insulin sensitivity. Rich in antioxidants, curcumin neutralizes harmful free radicals, protecting cells from damage and reducing the risk of aging-related diseases. Research in Molecules, 2020, highlighted curcumin's antioxidant capabilities, revealing how it combats oxidative stress and protects against cellular damage. Curcumin helps promote heart health by improving blood vessel function, regulates cholesterol levels, and reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. A 2012 study in the American Journal of Cardiology found that curcumin reduced the risk of heart attacks in bypass surgery patients by an impressive 65%. This shows just how powerful it can be in supporting cardiovascular health. If you like what you are hearing so far, please subscribe to support the growth of our community. And don't forget to come back for more health tips and wellness advice. Curcumin alleviates joint pain and swelling, offering relief for those with osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis. Turmeric has neuroprotective properties, enhancing memory, reducing symptoms of depression, and potentially delaying neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. A 2018 study published in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry showed that curcumin can improve memory and attention in older adults. Participants who consistently supplemented with curcumin saw significant cognitive improvements, making it a potential ally for brain health as we age. The liver plays a vital role in detoxifying our bodies, and turmeric enhances this process by boosting the production of essential enzymes that break down toxins. Additionally, curcumin helps protect liver cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and harmful substances. By reducing inflammation and improving bile production, turmeric not only aids digestion but also ensures the liver works efficiently. Turmeric has shown potential anti-cancer properties. In 2021, Cancer Letters published a study on curcumin's anti-cancer properties, focusing on its ability to inhibit tumor growth, particularly in breast, colon, and prostate cancers. While more research is needed, these findings are a promising step forward in using natural compounds like curcumin for cancer prevention and treatment. Curcumin anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties help reduce acne, calm skin irritation, and brighten complexion when applied topically. To maximize its benefits, turmeric needs to be used thoughtfully. Always add a pinch of black pepper, as piperine, the active compound in black pepper, enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. Curcumin is fat-soluble, so consuming it with healthy fats like avocados, coconut oil or olive oil, boosts its bioavailability. A mix of turmeric, warm milk, or plant-based alternatives, and honey creates a soothing and healthful golden milk drink. Incorporate turmeric into soups, curries, and stir-fries for flavor and health. For higher doses, curcumin supplements are available, but consult a healthcare professional before use. Words of caution: when consumed in large quantities, turmeric may irritate the stomach lining, leading to nausea, bloating, or even diarrhea in some individuals. This happens because curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can stimulate the stomach to produce more acid than usual. Turmeric can interfere with blood thinners like warfarin, as it may enhance their effects, increasing the risk of bleeding. If you're on antacids, turmeric might stimulate stomach acid production, which can counteract the effects of these medications. For those managing diabetes, turmeric may lower blood sugar levels, which, when combined with diabetes medications, could lead to hypoglycemia. These interactions don't mean you have to avoid turmeric entirely, but it's crucial to consult your healthcare provider before adding it to your routine, especially if you're on medication. Being informed ensures you can enjoy turmeric safely and effectively. High doses should be avoided during pregnancy, as it may stimulate uterine contractions. Rarely, some individuals may develop an allergic reaction, leading to skin irritation or rashes. To wrap up, turmeric is far more than just a vibrant spice, it's a nutritional powerhouse with profound health benefits. Its active compound, curcumin, has been widely studied for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune-boosting properties. Whether you add it to your meals, enjoy it in golden milk, or take it as a supplement, turmeric offers a natural way to support your overall well-being. However, as with any health routine, moderation and proper use are key, and it's important to consult with a healthcare provider if you have any specific health conditions. So, embrace turmeric as a simple yet effective way to enhance your health and enjoy its golden glow in your daily life. We hope you found our content valuable and that it helps you improve your well-being. Thank you for tuning in.